What's happening, guys? Coming at you from down4soundshop.com as always, and today we have yet again another new product for you. The way that we do this is when you guys start suggesting or requesting products in the comments of these videos, we start paying attention to it. If there's a big enough demand for it, we start looking into developing one or coming out with one, whatever you want to do. So something that we have been getting is, obviously we have the high-low converters, but a lot of people are like, I wish you would have something that would make a Bluetooth signal, like so I can stream to my amplifiers or whatever, you know. So here we have it. It's the Down4Sound EZY BT2HD. So this is our APTX model of Bluetooth receiver. So if you're looking to or need a Bluetooth signal, it's very simple with the Down4Sound EZY signal here. So you're gonna have your wires here. I can show you on the pamphlet here. So yellow is 12 volt positive, 2 amp fuse, blue is remote output, red is gonna be your switched ACC, black is ground, obviously, RCA output, red is right, white is left. And then it tells you how to go about connecting to the Bluetooth module, and then you would just go from there to your amplifiers from here, or a splitter box, like depending on how many that you're wanting to do. But very, very simple, and the price that we're bringing these in at are just amazing. I think it's 79 bucks, and I think it's a very awesome offering for what you're getting, and it's waterproof as well. So if you're wanting to use it on your side-by-side or in a Jeep or a boat or like outdoor application, no problem. We took care of that as well with the first model. It'll like do cars, boats, basically everything. So if you want to check this out, go to the comments, sorry, not the comments, but the description of this video, and you'll see a direct link to the EZY Bluetooth module by Down4Sound, and you can grab yours today. No doubt you're going to love it. If you need anything else, hit us up, down4soundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.